So I've had my Thunder laser for 3 weeks now. I haven't had any issues. I laser cut this out of acrylic and 3/4 inch wood. This is untapped market, this pickleball thing. I'm gonna talk to you about that for laser cut items. Today in the hackLAB, I'm Ryan. I've been hacking things my whole life. Hey Bentley, this is the takeaway. I ended up cutting very thick wood with my new Thunder laser. This is 80 watts, so I was able to cut very, very thick wood. I did find a way to remove this sort of what I'm calling the cauterization. You can actually sandblast this edge. I really had to work with the different icons here in the back. So you could do I love baseball, I love football, you could do I love Buffalo Bills, you could do all types of things. You don't need to put the actual customization in at the front. I did experiment with frosted glass, but it didn't work as well. So engraving is very important that you do not have air on. So I experimented with engraving and I finally got what I wanted on the Thunder laser. Now I would say if you had a lower watt laser and you had a CO2 laser to cut acrylic, I would say that maybe you could do this base in layers. The file is 19 by 10, so it can be cut out on a variety of laser cutters. But as far as what I had worked out in the file, I finally figured out, and I was gonna 3D print these, is that I had to do this a pretty good height up in order to get the look that I wanted. And then by doing 3 different pieces, I was able to get it very stable, and you can ship this all flat and they can plug that in. So this is designed for an 1/8 inch acrylic, but you do need a CO2 machine on that. I wasn't really happy cutting bamboo. It was really kind of difficult. This was actually pine. It was much more successful. So anyways, if you know of a pickleball fan or if you want me to edit this for any other sport, let me know. Whatever you do, make something that connects someone. Bye.